Everybody, welcome to me reacting to Happy Tree Friends every time Cub has died. I know that sounds strange, but I know nobody contacted this, but I just thought about this. Okay, there we go. I hope when that happened, it was still nice and bright for you. Oh, so much blood. So much blood. Ugh. I don't know any of these names, so don't get mad at me if you know the names and I don't. Please don't get mad at me and dislike. Ugh. Uh-oh. Okay, that is literally and totally that was literally cursed. That was cursed. That means that part does not belong on YouTube. So please don't get mad at me. Just water. Couple beep. I just guessed that because Cub is the little one. I know the name of baby bears. And okay then. Oh, don't. That's a strong train.